beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you don't know me, and thank you so much for checking out today's video. It is a kind of gloomy Sunday and I'm basically just doing a bunch of life admin today. I have a bunch of cleaning to do because our apartment is a mess and I have a bunch of laundry, just chores, just lots of chores, and just kind of getting ready for the week ahead. So I thought that I would film it and take you along with me. So I really enjoy watching those types of videos and I find it motivates me to get my stuff done. So I hope you enjoy this video and I hope it motivates you to get your stuff done. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely let me know in the comments if you like these types of videos and if you'd like to see more of them. I really appreciate all of your beautiful butterflies' support, and let's get right on into the day in my life.
In the drive-thru, order my food. Let's stay up all night. Let's pretend we're alright. You're so cute. You're so cute. I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do.
I really didn't try with my hair at all. I literally just threw it up, but if you're interested in how I kind of do these easy hairstyles, I did make a video on it, so I will include the link to that in my description.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
do in most cases. So I'm just going to take a break from cleaning and do my skincare routine, which I should have done hours ago. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. I went through my daily skincare routine a lot more in my other day in my life vlog, so I will leave the link to that vlog in the description in case you want to watch that and get more details and more information on all of the products I'm using on my skin and why I'm using them.
Making it sound like I'm not there for you. Oh, oh, oh. Wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to.
Okay, so my skincare is done.
Are you crying? Feels like just a day or maybe two since I last saw you, but now I won't come back around, girl, if you're not trying. Wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to be somewhere right now. Why are you crying? Feels like just a day or maybe two since I last saw you, but now I won't come back around if you're not trying.
Okay, so we are going to go out for a bit because being stuck inside all day is no fun. So obviously I can't wear my beautiful, attractive onesie for that. So time to get changed. All dressed and ready to go. Our calendar is incredibly outdated, so let's go ahead and give it an update.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
Okay, so the calendar has been redone. My writing isn't perfect, but it looks so much cleaner and so much better than it did before. So now it's been a long day of cleaning and chores and stuff like that, so I'm going to make myself a delicious Caesar. What's it about?
That's a good question.
I'm glad. So it is basically the end of the day. It's the evening now. The house is cleaned. I'm just finishing up another load of laundry. I'm going to finish my other laundry tomorrow. And yeah, it was a very productive day. I'm really happy with everything that I got done. And I hope that you beautiful butterflies enjoyed coming along my kind of life admin day with me. If you did, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Turn on that notification bell as well so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also check out my Instagram if you haven't already. I post on there a lot more frequently. I love all of you beautiful butterflies all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!